Now, as far as the reactions that have been coming in from the administration side, the casualty figure that seems to have gone up to three. Many people who are also reported to be missing. Rescue operations that have also been taking place. But heavy rains that continue to pour in Himachal Pradesh's Mandi district that has caused flooding and landslides. And what is now being said that roads and power and water supplies that have been affected. And now there has been a blockage of the Chandigarh-Manali highway. And what is being said that there has been a loss of public and private properties, both that has been taking place. Additionally, what we are getting to know that three people, unfortunately, have lost their lives. But one of the worst affected areas are said to be the zonal hospital there, where there is excessive water accumulation and the main access road to the hospital that has also been blocked. Let's, in the meantime, put out what Kangana Ranaut, the BJP MP, from Mandi has to say, because she has been monitoring the situation very closely. Let's put out her statement on X, where she says that Mandi शहर में कल रात हुई भीषण बारिश ने भारी तबाही और पीड़ा पहुंचाई है। हमने 2 अनमोल जीवन खो दिए, कुछ नागरिक अब भी लापता है। मेरी संवेदनाएं शोक संतप्त परिवारों के साथ है। कई वाहन मलबे में दब गए हैं, घरों को भारी नुकसान हुआ है। इन्हें हृदय विदारक हालातों में पूरे क्षेत्र को झकझोर दिया है और मैं पीड़ित परिवारों के साथ पूरी संवेदना और मन से खड़ी हूं। प्रशासन से मेरी लगातार बात हो रही है, राहत बचाव कार्य में प्राथमिकता पर चल रहे हैं। सभी को अपील है कि निचले इलाकों और नदी नालों के किनारे क्षेत्रों से दूर रहे, सुरक्षित स्थानों पर शरण ले। So that is as far as the statement coming in from Kangana Ranaut, as the situation is being closely monitored by the state administration. We head into a short break.